Greetings and salutations, welcome to our segment on Portswigger Web Security Academy. We are covering SQL injection. Today's focus is on union attack to query the database type. Alright, so for that, this log contains a SQL injection vulnerability in the product category filter. You can use a union attack to retrieve the results from an injected query. To solve the lab, display the database string. So let's go and get that started up. I should have clicked that beforehand. So again, the vulnerability is in product category filter. We're going to be using a union attack to retrieve a query that will display the database version string. Okay, perfect. Well, let's get into this. Let's go ahead and click over here and we're going to click gifts. And all right, so I do want to bring up something here back to our cheat sheet. Keep this thing in handy because here we'll show some interesting things that we could utilize, such as comments. Like the dash is for most of them. And you'll see that this other one uses also a pound sign, or also known as hashtag, or we can put a space at the end of that. All right. And then come down here. These will show us the most common ways for syntax to find the database version. So with that being said, let's come back over here and let's go back to our little notepad that we've been using. Let's try this one out first. So single quotation, union, select, null, and then our ability to comment out the rest. Okay, that's not exactly it. So let's try the one with 3 nulls. See if that works instead. So in a way, you can see you can create yourself a little cheat of what you can type in real quickly. So you've noticed that's not quite working for either one of them. And lately it's been like either 2 or 3. So I'm thinking it's going to at least still be. So let's try doing it again, but this time we'll put a hashtag at the end. Okay. Let's try it one more time. See if that works for us. Nope. Let's try it again, but this time let's remove one of these nulls just for giggles. If not, I have another thought what might need to be done. Okay. All right, from here, we're going to turn interceptor back on. Come back over here, we'll click gifts. We're going to send this to repeater, and we can turn that back off. We'll jump over to repeater. We're going to send this. We get the number 200. So now, what we're going to try is come back over here and try this one more time. So the phosphorus union select null with a hashtag. And we're just going to highlight what we just put in. Do Control U to convert that, and then click send. Now we have 200 there. Let's see. Let's render this. Okay, that's what we needed to do. Okay, perfect. So now what we need to do is find out what version it is, right? So we need to figure out where we can type. So let's try changing this null to the single quote, a single quote, apply the change. Let's send it. That one works. That's fantastic. So if we come back to our cheat sheet, it's either this one or that one. So let's try this, the second one of the Postgres. Come back, and we're going to paste that in here and apply the changes. And we're going to send it. We have an error. We actually might need to, this part select we probably don't need, actually. Yeah, we probably don't need the part select right there. Send that way. I don't know, do we need to Control U this as well? Let's see. That doesn't change anything. All right, let's go back. Let's try this at version. Okay, and let's send that. Hey, look at there. Congratulations, you saw the lab. But where's the database version? Let's keep scrolling and see if we can find it here. That's being kind of weird, shown in the render here. So instead, let's just copy this up here. And let's go back to our browser. Yeah, it says we completed it, but let's go ahead and dump that up there. If we scroll, there we go. You can see the version right there. So good job, guys. We know it's 8.0.42, 20.04.1. And if we wanted, maybe you could type all that stuff in and type like the word exploit into Google and see if you can find anything. That could be handy in your engagement. So thank you guys. Congratulations on solving the lab. Hope you're enjoying these. And again, stay safe, secure, and stay ethical. All right. Bye-bye.